Hello, this is Antilia Capraro from Toronto, Canada. So some of my very new subscribers ask me how they should start prospecting in Facebook. So that's a very interesting question. At the same time, it's one of the most simple possible answer we can give. But when you are new, you are new. So anyhow, I encourage everybody when they do not know one topic or how to do a thing, ask, because that's always the way to do it. Now, about prospecting of Facebook, there are a few things which we should really pay very high attention. Number one, never ever start a conversation with an interest in your mind. So what I mean by that? That means, well, we are so consumed with our businesses and we want to promote it and we want to tell to everybody, look how good it is, look, this is what you can achieve. And yeah, that's true because we are promoting very valuable and programs which are real programs for real people. But if you start a conversation asking, would you like to go, would you like to join me or so, that is totally the wrong way. Why? Because the number one reason we go on Facebook and what we should really consider is just to open, just to initiate a conversation. So again, the tip number one, never go in Facebook with an interest on your mind, and that one being, to pitch the people to come into your business. The number two, I would say, is this. So again, the word interest, I see many people, they are, putting links saying, if you are interested, contact me. No, you write, you send a PM message, or, you invite people and you ask them differently, are you open to whatever you do, to network marketing or to internet marketing, or are you open to find new tips or tricks or strategies to build your current business? Or if you do not have a business, are you open to find out about this or that opportunity? And number three, I'd say, please do not send your link to everybody. Protect your business, protect your links. And you know what? When you just give something so many times for free, so many times it's really not appreciated. So I'd say, make the one who wants to have your insight, who wants to get, to see what you are doing, make them work a little bit for that. Make them, incite their interest. The real one, after they told you, yes, they are open, yes, we would like to, and so and so. Ask them a few questions and try to evaluate and see if really the business you are doing is it suitable for them. So at the same time, discuss this assessment with them and see really what are their goals, what they are looking for, their level of experience. And when you put all this package together, you would be much more useful to the person who is interested to get or to develop a business online or to increase or to grow their business. Anyhow, be a real coach. Have all the time the teacher mind. As I like to say, put your teacher hat in your head. Give value. Tell them, ask them, talk to them, assess them, help them. So that's the real way of doing. So yes, prospecting in Facebook is one of the most, how should I say, gratifying things because it's instant and you can start it from there and really can build a beautiful relationship and you'll feel good that you are helping other people and they will be grateful to you that you take them by hand and show them the road. So I'll be talking to you very soon. Hope this is useful and enjoy it. All the best. If you have a business, apply. If you do not have a business, you will find the link below. And if you are open to an opportunity, then just let me know. All the best and enjoy it.